Yes, good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. It's a story time, so I don't want to waste much time. Okay, it's story time. Now, uh, there was a small boy, and he came to Mama and he said, "Mama, now I want to become the leader of the class, but I won't be able to." So Mama said, "Why?" He said, "See, I participated in poem recitation, but I did not get the prize. What everybody will say." So Mama said, excuse me, Mama said, "Don't worry. Now I'll tell you a wonderful story of the musicians of Bremen. And this story you narrate in the class, and then I hope this time you will get the prize and you may become a leader." So the child was very happy. So this is how the mother started. Now that you children also try to listen to this story. This is very interesting story, children. Okay. Now in this story, the characters are, you must be wondering who all are characters. Yes, it's a donkey, it's a cat, dog, and the cock. They are the main heroes of the story. And the four thieves. Okay, now let's see what does this story tells all about. Okay, now this is a story of a donkey, a cat, a cock, and yes, and who else is there? Donkey, cat, dog, and cock. Four of them. Okay, children. Now it so happened that now these four of them. Okay, now, it's a story that what is the name of the story? Musicians of Bremen. So let's try to understand now. Now, children, once upon a time, what happened that a dog was walking down the road and he looks very sad. Okay, donkey. Oh, now the donkey is saying to himself, okay, I worked on the farm all my life. Now I must leave. Why? Because my life is in danger. Now the donkey is thinking and he's saying all these things to himself, okay? And he's looking very sad. Why? Because, and he has come out of the house. He was staying with his master and mistress, okay? And now what has happened? Now one day he heard the mistress saying that I'm a useless, I have become old. So I think I should go to Bremen and become a musician. So he left the house because he came to know that the mistress is going to throw him out. Okay, so the donkey leaves the farm. You know what is the farm? Yes. And then what happens? He meets the dog. In on the road, he meets the dog. Okay, the dog says, "Hello, old donkey. Where are you going?" Then the donkey says, "I'm going to Bremen to become a musician." So the dog says, "Oh, can I come with you? See, I have become old. I cannot work, and my master has driven me out of the house." So the donkey says, "Yes, why not? Yeah, please come with me, and together we will go to become a musician. We'll go to the Bremen." Okay, this is how, see what they are talking. The dog is saying that I have become so old. That the white color, that the hair, the thing is telling you, the beard sort of, this telling you that the doggy has become old. Now here the two of them are going. Okay, where is it? This one. They two are going. Now what happened? Both of them, they were walking on the road, and it so happened that they met the cat. Okay, the cat said, "Oh, hello, friends. Where are you going?" So the donkey and the dog said, the donkey says, "We are going to the Bremen." And the dog says that we have become very old. Now we are of no use now anymore. And our mistress also don't want us to be in home now. We cannot do the work. So we are running away now because our owners wanted to kill us. That is why we are going to the Bremen to become a musician. Then the cat also started. "Oh, my life is also in danger. I'm old now. I cannot catch any mice for my mistress. I cannot catch mice now. I don't have so much of strength and energy. Yesterday, she said that she is going to kill me. My, please take me along with you, my friends." Then the donkey says, "Oh, don't worry. You come with us. Come on. Will three of us will go to Bremen to become a musician." The cat says, "Thank you so much." So they walk on till just what happened as they were walking, three of them. So on the way, yes, they heard a noise. Cuckoo, 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 doodle doo doo. Like this they heard. Okay. The donkey says, "That's a fine noise." Cock, "Yes, I'm lucky alive." Here they are talking. He says, "I'm lucky. I'm alive. My master is going to kill me." Okay, so the dog says, "You sing so very well." Huh? So the cat says, "Come on, join us now. Come on, will four of us will go and become a musician." Okay. So the cock says, "Certainly, certainly." Then four of them, here they are going. Okay, the donkey, the dog, the cat, and the cock. Four of them. Oh, the poor animals. Now they have become old. They are of no use now. Now the mistress want to drive them out of the house. Some of the mistress want them to kill. So our four of them becomes a good friend. See, all four of them, they've common problem. And they are all are four, old now. So they started walking now. Now what happened now? It's what is getting darker and darker, and they have long way to go because the Bremen was not nearby. It was very very far away. So the donkey says, "Now we cannot go to the Bremen tonight." Okay, now here it is. See, it has become very dark and it has become very night now. So dog says, "Come on, let's sleep in this wood." So the cat says, "Okay, here is a big tree. Now I can sleep on the branch." Who said? The cat said. The cat reached the top branch. Okay. And the cock said, "Okay, I can perch on the highest branch. I'll go and sit there." And the dog says that, "Okay, I will lie near the trunk." Okay. From the top of the tree. Now what happened? All four of them, they took the place. Okay. Can you see a tree over here? On the same tree, see here. Okay. What happened is that the first one to climb was the cock, then the cat, and the doggy and the donkey jo hai na, they both of them sat down under the tree because as they cannot climb the tree. Now what happened? The donkey says, "Hooray! Perhaps there will be some food. Come on, first let's go and see because we are very tired." They walked. Now, what happened? As they were. No, see, okay, one thing I missed out, sorry, beta. Now, what happened as the four of them were resting under the tree? Now, the cock was sitting at the top, below, above this. Here was the cat, and above the cat was a cock. Okay, now the cock perched on the highest branch. Okay, now from the top of the tree, the cock said, "Ee, listen, my friend, there is a light not far away, and it looks like a house." Then the donkey says, "Hooray! Come on. Uh, Let us go and have food over there. Maybe we'll find some food inside the house." So dog also says, "Come on, let's go." The cat also says, "Come on, let's go." Okay. Then next what happened? Let's see now. Yes, this is the house. This is the house. Okay. So they walked to the house and they looked through the windows. First the donkey saw that there are the four robbers here. One, two, three, and one more. There were the four robbers in the room and they were sitting round the table. Here it is. Okay. And there was plenty of food on the table. So the dog says, "Come on, we must frighten them away." Okay. The dog, now what happened? Look at here. Look at this picture. So funny picture. The donkey, yes, the dog stands on the donkey bag. Here the donkey is in near the window. Here the dog on the donkey, the cat on the dog, and the cock on the cat. Four of them, one above the other. Okay, the dog stands on the donkey's back. The dog stands on the donkey's back. The cat climbs onto the dog, and the cock perches on the cat's head. They begin to sing loudly, blah, 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 blah. And then donkey starts braying. The dog says boo 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 boo. The cat says meow meow meow, and the cock says doodle doo doo doodle doo. All four of them started together, And they were moving also, and because of the loud noise, the windows also started shaking. The things started falling off. And then they fall in through inside. The frightened robbers, they all ran away. The robber says, run, run before we are caught. Somebody is there to catch us. And the four friends, after that, what happened? See, the four of them ran away. These four thieves, okay? So the four friends eat the food on the table. The four friends sat on the table. Now, what happened? The four friends eat the food on the table. Then the donkey lies down in the yard. The dog lies on the mat. The cat lies in front of the path. And the cock perches on the beam. And they are soon fast asleep. Then again, what happened? As they, after eating the food, all the four animals were sleeping at night. You can see it's a night time. Now, what happened? The robbers come back. Okay, one robber looks for a match to light the candle. Suddenly, the cats spit at him. Here, look at the first spit. This first one. Here, the cat. Okay, it's a dog. Okay, he spits at him and scratches him. Then the robber trips over the dog. The dog bites him. Okay, then what happened? Here's a donkey. Can you see the donkey here? Look at the donkey. The donkey kicks him, and the cock starts to crow. Okay, the cocks also came and starts crowing. The robbers run to join us, and he ran out of the house. He runs out of the house. The robbers, then the other robbers who were outside, they were saying, what happened? What happened? The robber said, there was a terrible witch in the house, She spat at me. Let's see whether there's a picture is there. No, that's all. He said he spats at me and it scratched me. So there was a scratch on his face. Okay, then he said, then a man behind the door cut my leg with a knife. But actually, it was the doggy. Can you see here? It was a dog, and he was thinking that the who has come over there, the house is haunted house, a witch is there, the monster is there, something like that he felt, and then he said, then a man behind the door cut my leg with a knife, then a monster hit me, the monster, actually it was a donkey, beta, the donkey, here the donkey is standing. Usually what happens when the donkey kicks, the kick, it kicks from behind. He turned, and then the monster hit me. And the devil, he said the devil means the cock, because he was not able to see exactly who were there, and it was totally dark. Okay, and he said the witch came, and then the man came, and then was a monster. Then he said the devil, the monster hit me. Then the devil screamed at me. It was a cock actually. The robber said, oh my, it is better to stay away from that house. And here you can see, here it is of all the robbers. See, they are riding back. They are afraid now. They don't want to come back to this haunted house, according to the thieves actually. Okay, then all the four musicians, yes, they had a gala time there. The four musicians did not go to Bremen. They feeling so happy. They lived happily ever after in the house. And the thieves ran away, the robbers ran away from there. They did not come back. One time they tried. Then they thought that now we will move away from here. We will not wait here. Okay. Then they move away, and all the four musicians, they did not go to, did they go to the Bremen? No, no, no. They did not go. They stayed there in the house. They actually first they decided not to go to the Bremen, है ना? First they thought that they will go to the Bremen. Actually, the Bremen is a town in a Germany, children. Bremen is it like how the Nagpur is also a town in Maharashtra. Where is the Maharashtra? In India. Similarly, the Bremen is a town in Germany. Okay, and it was very far away, and they had decided to go to Bremen, है ना? Because their master and mistress decided to throw them away. But now they were very happy in this house, and in fact, it was in the jungle. It was not in the main city. So thereafter, they lived happily. That's all, children. I hope you must have enjoyed the story. Thank you so much. God bless you.